Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about how we can perform the basic input-output operation in a C++ programming language. So first of all, we have the Cout. This is one object of the OStream class, and it is used to display output to the standard output device like one display screen, and it is used with the stream insertion operator to output on a console. The stream insertion operator is nothing but two less than symbols side by side. So first we have the cout keyword, and then we have the stream insertion operator, and after that we can have one string like hello world, and the string will be displayed onto the console. Also, the stream insertion operator can be used multiple times to display multiple variable values. So like in example, first we have one cout keyword, then we can use the stream insertion operator to display the value of one variable a, and also we can again use the stream insertion operator to display the value of another variable b. So this way we can use the stream insertion operator multiple times to display the value of multiple variables. And next we have the cin. This is one object of the iStream class, and it is used to take input from standard input devices like keyboard. And the stream extraction operator used to read input from the console. The stream extraction operator is nothing but two greater than symbols. So first we have the cin keyword and then the stream extraction operator. So this will take the user input and we can store that input inside one variable a. And the stream extraction operator can be used multiple times to take multiple user input. Like in example, here in this example we are taking one user input and storing inside the variable a. Similarly, we can take multiple user input by using multiple stream extraction operator. So we can have another variable b which will be used to store a different user input. So in this line of statement we are taking two user inputs, and the user inputs will be stored in the variable a and in the variable b. And next we have the Endl. It is one object of the OStream class, and it is used to have a new line or a line break. So like an example, we have one cout which will be used to display one string onto the console. Now after that output, if we wanted to have the line break, then we can use the Endl to have one line break after we print the hello world string. So in this example program we can use the cin to take the user input and we can store that in the variable a, and then we can use the cout to output one string like you entered, and then we can print the value of the variable a, and after that we can have one line break. Simply we have to write Endl, and this way we can use the cin to take the user input and store it in one variable a, and then we can use the cout to output one string, and also we can output the value of one variable. And to have line break in our program we can use the Endl. So this is the way we can perform this basic input-output operation in C++ programming. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.